Ohayo gozaimasu. Today, not tomorrow, we are off to Nipponbashi, which is sort of like the anime, manga, electronics, video games capital of Osaka. It's kind of like Akihabara of Tokyo. We want to go and look at some of the stores, look at some figurines and some manga books. We want to go to one of the cafes there where the food is a little bit more expensive, but it's presented beautifully. There's like figurines or like cutouts of anime characters on the things. We don't know if we're going to go to a cafe of a particular anime or just like a general like figurine company store, but we'll have a walk around, we'll see what we can find. Oh yeah, they need to be broken down. Disclaimer, I did break down the box. It was just hard to do with one hand, so I didn't film it. I didn't film me. Look, I've got a piece of bit here because I had to bite it open with my teeth and break it down. I'm very excited. I don't know what we're in store for, but we're about to go and meet Jesu at the train station. There's Jesu. Okay, now we're at Omeda. And now we're in Namba Station. It's the final stop. Now we have to just walk to Nipponbashi. Well, we're here, and now we have to go for a 14-minute walk to find Central Nipponbashi. We don't know where we're going to go first. But over there you can see an orange sign for Book Off Plus. That's the second-hand store where I bought the Soge King figurine. Whoa, Pocky Flagship store or something? Everything's Pocky and Pretz. Wow. Very expensive though. It's all very like gifty versions of Pocky. Whoa! Yeah, that's the Glico. Glico? Yeah. We didn't see it when I went to Dotonbori. I gotta go back to Dotonbori and see the Glico. Cool. Are you joking? Are you joking? Avocado. I am pretty sure I've been here, yeah, Gundam Cafe. We're gonna go and see Dotonbori because it's literally just around the corner, so we'll just have a little peek and then we'll find our way to Nipponbashi. Literally here. We're back, baby. I don't think I'll be back so soon. So last time I was here, I was not, no, wait, I need you in front of me. Last time I was here, I was not in this part of Dotonbori, so this is gonna be quite exciting. All right, so we found the Book Off Plus. I wonder if it's got a bigger selection than our local one in Mino. Oh yeah, oh, this looks great. Oh yeah. Hey Cherry.
Oh my god, it's you again. It's you.
Check this out, guys. You can get volumes 1 to 80 of One Piece for 15,000 yen. That's pretty expensive. Blue Exorcist as well, which is really affordable. 1 to 22, all the volumes. $50 for like all the volumes that are out. That's crazy. Well, I've spent ages looking at clothes in the secondhand store, but everything's still just a little bit expensive, and the stuff that is a bit cheaper is a bit like worn out and in very unusual sizes and stuff. So I think it's 10 to 12. It's 10 to 12. I'm keen to go to one of the cafes in Nipponbashi now. Gucci watches. Quite reasonable. $200, $500. Exciting though. We are on our way to the Good Smile Cafe. They are a company that make all sorts of figurines, Nendoroids, Figma, and apparently they've got like an idol deal going on at the moment, and Cherry really likes idol characters, so we decided we're gonna go there. Oh, it's Green Man, time to go. Absolutely sensory overload. There's too much going on. That's it up there, guys, in the distance, second floor, Good Smile Animate Cafe. Oh, sweetiest boy once again. Yep, this is totally Nipponbashi now. You can see all the billboards as well for anime stuff. Wow, dude. Some gachapons over there, someone dressed up, trying to approach people, hand out flyers. No, thank you. One Piece Mugiwara store, hell yeah. Let's go there. Oh, everybody get in the lift. Alright, this is ooh. Oh God, Cherry, it's your fave. It's all kitted out just for you. Wow.
Be happy, look happy.
Oh yeah.
So like the character theme.
Oh yeah, you can see what the character's theme is. I want the summer drink. I want the half-naked man.
You want Gaku? What is this?
I mean, the hope for lunch is lost, but we can still go to the Mugiwara One Piece store upstairs, which I'm pretty excited about. It's a little bit sparse, but it's exciting. Just seeing like lots of posters and like bookmarks and things. Oh, I could put this on my suitcase. They're like zum zums. That's so cute. Ooh, little chopper. I'd get that guy. These are the things that I saw from that gachapon, where I thought they were all doing a human centipede kind of thing. They are a USB jack. You can have them all plugged in, but they seem a little bit dodge, really. Okay, so we found a food court in Number Parks, and we're just having a look around, looking for something to eat. Anything at this point. Just because it's got a little bit late now, it's nearly 1 o'clock. It's nice that it has like previews of what things are like. Yeah, let's go sit down, I think. It looks nice in there as well. I was given the English menu because I only speak English. Got a yuzu ginger ale, which is very unusual. The ginger's very weak, but the yuzu's quite strong. Yeah, very lemony. I like it.
What is that?
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Sizzling. Oh my goodness. Still on a hot plate and sizzling. I'm going straight in for some of that beef. Ah, the lettuce is hot. Why is the lettuce hot? Very flavoursome and sweet, like a little bit sweet, that beef. Very fresh though. I like a hot salad. Why is the lettuce hotter than the beef? The rice looked quite wholesome as well. Kind of a wheaty based rice. I quite like it. What are these balls? Kind of like potato-y or something. Some sort of bean, yeah.
I can never tell if you're talking to us.
That's so time, yeah. Alright, that's enough of that. I'm gonna enjoy my meal. Sorry, gang. We're now going to a place called Pablo the Cheesecake Shop, or something like that. Pablo. That's one of the places that I looked up and wanted to go to before I moved to Osaka. The one that we're going to is a slightly smaller store, not the flagship store, but it'll probably be less busy than one where... I see it, guys. I see it over there. There it is. Pablo. How exciting. It's not even busy. They do like little mini cheese tarts. It's like their signature thing. Oh, there's like mini ones, mini cheese tarts. The big cheese. Get like a big Pablo cheesecake. There it is there. That's the size. Holy cow. Matcha cheese tart with chestnut and red bean. That's so exciting. The one I want to get is actually quite tiny, so I'm not gonna get that. I think I'm just gonna get a couple of these. 2 of these, I reckon. And there we have it, the Pablo Mini, the cheese tart. Very exciting. What is that? Sort of like an egg cup of something. Might have Kewpie mayonnaise. It looks a bit like Kewpie mayonnaise. I would not be surprised if this arcade is games on every floor. That's so intense. Are we gonna go play some games? Are we gonna go to the arcade? Here we go, the Sega store. Let's have a look-see. I'm already seeing a Gogeta, I think. Wow, dude. There's Luffy looking like really muscly and high def. And his brother Sabo. I don't know what this is. I'd be keen to win a little Donald Duck. He doesn't seem to be any of the ones on offer though. If he was wearing his blue one, I'd want him. I could probably win it. It's got the 3 cranes. Oh my god. That's way better. That's so cool. I want that. Yeah, I'll play for that. I'm probably going to be throwing my money away.
Good luck. I don't think it's strong enough. Yeah, it's not really in the middle.
Yes, 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 no.
You can try it again.
Who's got 100 yen? Yep, no. This hook is not helping, yeah.
If we could hook it in the thing, that would have been nice.
Nah, he's unwinnable. We've knocked him out. He's flat on his back. Oh well. Well, there goes 300 yen on a Donald Duck, but we had fun. I liked it. That guy over there with the white hat and the blue shirt, he had a camera to his chest and was talking and doing lots of gestures like me. We are back on Nipponbashi. Just ignore the Good Smile Animate Cafe. We don't like them. They were booked for the day. Look at all those figurines over there on display. There's so much cool stuff on the street. my goodness, it's Gintoki and Hinata. There's tons, they're all just here. All One Piece, or lots of One Piece, always. This is insane, this is way too much. There was a sign that says please refrain from photography, so that's what I'm gonna do. Sorry guys, you missed out on seeing even more quality figurines. Guys, Way of the House Husband. This is a new up and coming manga, have to read it, look. He's like extremely tough. He's like Yakuza. But then he prepares an amazing bento. And takes photos of it. And then his wife just like quickly leaves and forgets the lunch. Anyway, I can't read it because I can't read Japanese, but I'm gonna find it online, I'm gonna start reading it, and I reckon that's gonna blow up. That's gonna be a real popular one. A live concert going on around back with this guy?
Oh,
No.
I think it's a costume exhibition thing.
Oh, interesting.
His outfits or something.
His outfits from all his different shows.
He's actually here.
No.
He's a busy man.
I thought it'd be noisier as well if he was doing an actual concert. Cherry just told me that this is not fake. This is the price of this poster. This poster is 25,000 yen. It's nearly $500. Well, $400. $350. Poster. Picture of him on a piece of paper. $350. Guys, I'm gonna get removed from YouTube. The floor we were just on was literally all naughty stuff. I did a quick walk up along one of the lanes, realized it was all men on that floor, and we promptly left. Cherry and Jessica have been scarred, and I just laughed. Yeah, pretty good.
Should we look that way as well?
Where do you want to go?
This way?
Up there? Oh, there's more cashier.
There's another book.
We're gonna go to let's go to Joy City. I found Gintoki doing a Kamehameha for 2,000 yen at this figurine store, and Nicholas D. Wolfwood from Trigun, which is like one of my favorite like Western sci-fi animes and mangas as well. But that is so expensive just because it's probably like a really retro figurine, like they wouldn't do anything Trigun nowadays. Naruto and Sasuke Barbies. Like in fully like material clothes. Damn, that's so expensive though. How much is that? That's like $600. $600 for those. Oh damn. Look at all this fucking One Piece, man. Look at all the One Piece. Look at all the One Piece. I think that's more than one piece. I think there's hundreds of pieces. Bye bye Nipponbashi. See you next time. Now we're gonna go get some ice cream. We're going here. Look, some amazing sundaes. They're all about $10. Arigato. Oh, that's so exciting. Wow, dude. Guys, here I am. I came around the long way. Holy cow. Alright, here we go. Having some of the Hokkaido black bean and the matcha. Very subtle flavour that creeps up on you. The black bean's really nice. The ice cream. Yeah, what do you make of it? It's not very strong flavour. It's nice though. And I'm back home, and I have enjoyed my day. I don't know if you can see me, if this is a good camera shot. Oh well, let's just do it like this. I'm gonna eat my Pablo the cheese tart now. I've just come home. It's squished and disgusting, guys. Look at that. Look at that. It's crumbled. It's all crumbled off, but I'm gonna eat it now. It's very yum. It's like cream cheese. And it's very sweet as well. I was expecting it to just be like cheddar cheese or something. I don't know, that's really nice, really smooth, rich flavour. Yummy. And there's a little fan inside it. A little decorative fan saying Pablo the cheese tart. Thank you for watching this episode of Kiwi in Japan. Like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for joining me in my visit to Nipponbashi and going back to Dotonbori. I know it wasn't very exciting because some things were cut out. I didn't get to go to the Animate Cafe, but it was cool. I saw some interesting things. something's a little too interesting. But it's a great day, very fun day. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next Kiwi in Japan.